Let's start action verbs in English. Punch, punch. Kick, kick. Cry, cry. Smell, smell. Hug, hug. Climb, climb. Slice, slice. Listen, listen. See, see. Taste, taste. Push, push. Pull, pull. Lift, lift. Carry, carry. Throw, throw. Catch, catch. Bend, bend. Spin, spin. Roll, roll. Drink, drink. Wave, wave. Point, point. Clap, clap. Toss, toss. Nod, nod. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Have a nice day.